So this question deals with a savings account which pays compound interest, which means the interest itself earns interest. So the money stays in. And we've got an initial investment of £8,000 and the savings account works for 4 years, giving 4.5% in the first year, 2.75% for all subsequent years. So again, I think it helps to draw a sort of a flow chart of what's happening to this money. We start off with £8,000. Okay, by the end of year 1, we've earned plus 4.5%. Now they say it's 2.75 for all subsequent years. So out of these percentages, we now need to find the decimal multiplier for each of the years. And the danger is you'll get the decimal point in the wrong place. What I tend to do is remember that 10%, an increase of plus 10%, would give me a multiplying factor of 1.1. So 4.5% will give me a multiplying factor of 1.045. Now the rest are easy. This is going to be 1.0275. This is also going to be 1.0275. And this is going to be equal to 1.0275. So I can say that after 4 years, the account is equal to £8,000 multiplied by 1.045. Then it's multiplied by 1.0275. Then it's multiplied by 1.0275. And then it's multiplied again by 1.0275. Notice here, because we've got a repeated number, we could have expressed that as 1.0275 cubed. And that's what I'm going to use when I calculate my answer now. So we have £8,000 multiplied by 1.045 and then multiplied by 1.0275 cubed. Pop that into a calculator and get 9068 and 84 pence. And that's your answer.